Craving that iconic chicken sandwich and have a Chick-fil-A gift card burning a hole in your pocket? Let's get that gift card loaded and used right on the Chick-fil-A app, making ordering a breeze. First, make sure you've downloaded the Chick-fil-A app from the App Store or Google Play if you already have it. Go ahead and open it up. Once you're in the app, look for the scan icon at the bottom of the screen. It usually looks like a barcode or a QR code symbol. Tap on it. Now, you should see an option that says something like Add a gift card or Add gift card funds. Select that. This is where you'll enter your gift card details. Carefully type in the gift card number and the PIN. Double check to make sure you've entered them correctly. Tap Add funds. Awesome! Your gift card balance is now loaded into your Chick-fil-A app. Now let's order. Head back to the main screen and start building your order. Add all your favorites: the classic chicken sandwich, waffle fries, maybe even a milkshake. Once you've selected your order, review it carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Pay. You'll see a list of payment options. Since we've added your gift card, you should see Chick-fil-A card selected as a payment if your gift card balance covers your entire order. You're all set. If not, you can add another payment method to cover the remaining balance, like a credit card or debit card. Review your order one last time, choose your pickup method, and tap Place Order. Enjoy your delicious Chick-fil-A using gift card balance simply and easily with the app.